If you want to enable step counter or pedometer to the home screen on Redmi A7 Pro, you can press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen, and then at the bottom we can go to widgets. Now once we open widgets, then in here we should be able to try to find a pedometer in here. So if you keep scrolling down, eventually I'm pretty sure you should be able to find one. There we go, I can find this one over here. So if you want to add it, you can just, for example, press and hold your finger on it, and then you can just drag and drop it anywhere you want it to be. And this is the Xiaomi's widget, and once you add it, you might need to tap on it in order to actually activate it, because we need to grant all the necessary permissions to be able to use it. But there we go, now we do have the pedometer in here. And if you don't like this widget, you can of course use third-party apps that allow you to add pedometer to the home screen as well. For example, we have a Fitbit app, which unfortunately it is not pre-installed on this phone, but we should be able to get it for free from the Play Store. Fitbit is a Google app that also has a widget that allows you to count steps. So we can search for it, or you can just search for step counter or pedometer, and you should be able to find other third-party app. And of course, I can recommend you to try on. There we go, there's actually the Google Health now, so they have updated the name of it apparently. So we're gonna use Google Health in this case. We're gonna install it. I'm gonna show you how to quickly set it up and how to add the pedometer to the home screen. There we go, the app is installed, so we're gonna open it. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Now we can easily sign in with our Google account. I think this is the most convenient way to do so, so I'm just gonna do that. There we go. And if you try to create the account for the first time, then you might need to go through like a couple of setups. You will have to provide some information, but this is very intuitive, very easy to do. You should be able to just simply follow the instructions in order to do so. Over here, of course, you can allow the app to send you notifications, as long as you don't mind, of course. And there we go, once we open the app, once it is running, in here inside the app, we can also see the pedometer. But if you want to use a widget, then of course we can easily do so. We're just gonna go back to widgets. So let's press and hold our finger and then choose widgets at the bottom. This time we're gonna choose Android widgets in here. And now we can see widgets from apps that we have installed. So we just need to find the Google Health app. Let's see if we can find it. We should be able to locate it in here somewhere. There we go, here it is. So we have this quick access widget, so I'm just gonna press and hold my finger, and then we can just drag it and drop it anywhere we want it to be. So I'm just gonna add it to this page over here. Tap on done, and there we go. Here we have our widget, we have our pedometer. We should also be able to resize it a little bit. So if you want to make it slightly smaller, for example, you might be able to do so quite easily. There we go. We can use, for example, this 2x2 size, where we just have the steps counter. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.